Hey, what's up everyone, Spring Love Studio here. This video will be a short follow-up of the last video. You can click here to watch the last video if you haven't watched it. It was about the microphone quality of 5 best-selling headphones and 5 best-selling true wireless earbuds. Through the test, it was surprising that the microphone performance of Sony WH-1000XM3 was really disappointing and unusable even in a quiet environment. I was in touch with Sony support following their instruction to reset and initialize the headphone. Be aware that resetting and initializing the headphone are 2 different steps. Resetting the headphone will refresh the functionalities. Hopefully that everything get back to the normal. Initialization will wipe out all the pairing history, so you have to reconnect to all your devices, hopefully to re-establish all the Bluetooth connectivities to resolve any connectivity issues. I've tried a few rounds and the outcome was still very awful with its microphone quality. Then I tried a demo unit in the Sony store and found out that the demo unit was way better than my own defective units. So I determined that I should not spend more time working on these defective units, and I replaced it with a new pair. So this is the new pair of Sony WH-1000XM3. As usual, I tested it in various scenarios. So in the quiet scenario, you definitely would discover that the mic quality right now is a whole lot better. It's not the best, of course, still a distance from the Bose performance. In a heavy traffic environment, which I believe most of you won't be in unless you are living or working in a very busy city, the microphone of Sony WH-1000XM3 would be struggling to survive in this environment. It's pretty much unusable. Overall, the microphone performance of both products are still way beyond the competition. So listen to believe it and find it out.
Head on the ground.
Hey everyone, I'm back to the coffee shop that I usually test my headphones microphone. This is a recording through my replaced Sony WH-1000XM3. What do you think about the quality of these new replaced headphones? Please leave a comment what do you think about it. This is a recording through Sony WH-1000XM3. I'm in the walkway that I usually record my very heavy. This walkway is surrounded by 2 sides of the traffic. Actually, it's fully loaded by like buses and trucks. So yeah, it is really quite noisy. But its noise level is basically around 85 to 95 decibels. So we'll see how the performance of the Sony WH-1000XM3 is replacing the board
If you find this channel helpful, please give this video a like, subscribe this channel, and click the bell so you'll be notified whenever there's a new video uploaded. See you in the next video.